all go on the urban safari, we might see some illegal migrants. Oi, look, there's a chap, that means council housed and violent. He's got a hoodie on, give him a hug. A second thoughts don't, you don't wanna get mugged. Oh shit, too late, that was kinda dumb. Whose idea was that? Stupid. He's got some fun, ain't we all? Be the joker, play the fool. It's politics, ain't it all? Smoke and mirrors, April Fools. All year round, all in all, just another brick in the wall. Get away with murder in the schools. Use 4-letter swear words cause we're cool. All drinkers, drug takers, every single one of us runs the herb. Keep on believing what you read in the papers. Council estate is gone with the herb. Thinking our life on the council estate is from a thing you ever read about it or heard. But it's all true, so stay with your safest. There's no need to step out the bird. Truth is here, we're all disturbed. We cheat and lie, it's so absurd. Feed the fear, that's what we've learned. Fuel the fire, let it burn. Oi, I say oi, what you looking at, you little rich boy? We're poor, round here, run home and lock your door. Don't come out in no more, you could get right for real. Yeah, because my mind is ill, my mind is ill. For real, yeah, you know my mind is ill, my mind is ill. You could get lost in this concrete jungle, new bills keep springing up out of nowhere. Take the wrong turn down a one-way junction, find yourself in the hood, nobody goes there. We got an eco-friendly government, they preserve our natural habitat. Built an entire Olympic village around where we live about pulling down any flats. Give us free money and we don't pay any tax. NHS healthcare, yes please, many thanks. People get stabbed round here, there's many shanks. Nice knowing someone's got a back when we get attacked. Don't bloody give me that, I lose my temper. Who closed down the community centre? I kill time there, used to be a member. What will I do now until September? Schools out, rules out, get your bloody tools out. London's burning, I predict a riot. Fall in, fall out, who knows what it's all about. What did that chief say? Something about the Kaisers. Kids on the street, now they never miss a beat, never miss a cheap feel when it comes their way. Let's go looting, no not looting. The high street's closer, cover your face. And if we see any rich kids on the way, we'll make them wish they stayed inside. There's a charge for congestion, everybody's gotta pay. Do what promise does, rob them blind. Oi, I say oi, what you looking at, you little rich boy? We're poor, round here, run home and lock your door. Don't come out in no more, you could get right for real. Yeah, because my mind is ill, my mind is ill. For real, yeah, you know my mind is ill, my mind is ill. We've had it with you politicians. You bloody rich kids never listen. There's no such thing as broken Britain. We're just bloody broken Britain. What needs fixing is the system. Not shop windows, dining bricks, the riots on the television. You can't put up all in prison.